Every man will face disrespect at some point in his life. A coworker talks down to you. A stranger bumps into you and glares. A woman tests your patience in public. How you react in these exact moments defines your value as a man. Most men react emotionally. They get angry. They raise their voice. They try to argue and prove a point. And the moment they do that, they lose. Today, I'm going to show you how to handle disrespect like a king. You will learn the psychological secrets to staying completely calm and taking back your power without ever raising your voice. Rule number 1, never argue with a clown. When someone insults you, they are trying to drag you into their reality. They want to see you lose control. If you get mad, you are telling them, your opinion of me is so important that it controls my emotions. A king does not step off his throne to fight a court jester. When someone disrespects you, understand that it is a reflection of their insecurity, not your value. Do not give them the satisfaction of a reaction. Rule number 2, use the power pause. This is the most intimidating thing you can do when someone disrespects you. When they say something insulting, do not answer immediately. Look them directly in the eyes with a completely blank expression. Count to 3 in your head. 1, 2, 3. This silence is deafening. It forces them to hear the stupid thing they just said. It makes them uncomfortable. Usually they will start rambling, trying to explain themselves, or they will look away. By saying nothing, you establish complete dominance over the situation. Rule number 3, Amused Mastery. If you have to speak, do not defend yourself. Defending yourself looks weak. Instead, treat them like a child who is throwing a tantrum. If someone insults your outfit, don't say, "What's wrong with it? It's expensive." Instead, look at them, smirk slightly and say, "Are you having a bad day?" Or, "You seem really stressed out right now." This flips the frame. Suddenly you are the calm adult and they are the emotional child. You are judging their behavior, not defending your own. Rule number 4, agree and amplify. This is a verbal martial art. When someone throws an insult at you, agree with it, but exaggerate it so much that it becomes a joke. If a guy says, "You are so arrogant," you reply with a smile, "I know, I actually have a golden statue of myself in my living room." By agreeing with the insult, you remove its power. They want you to get defensive. When you laugh at it, you prove that their words cannot hurt you. Rule number 5, the ultimate power move is walking away. Your attention is your most valuable currency. Do not spend it on people who do not respect you. If someone continues to be disrespectful, do not argue. Do not warn them. Just remove your presence. Look at them, realize they are not worth your time, turn around and leave. This destroys their ego. They wanted a fight, and you gave them nothing. Remember, true power is not loud. True power is quiet, calm, and unshakable. When you control your emotions, you control the room. If you are ready to build an unbreakable mindset and become a high-value man, hit that subscribe button. I will see you in the next video.